This orange spice latte tastes amazing, and normally you'd have to wait in line at a coffee shop and shell out up to $9 to enjoy a signature drink like this one. But we'll show you how to make this orange spice latte in no time, right in your home cafe. All you need is your favorite milk, some coffee or espresso, and some orange infused syrup. The secret to any specialty coffee drink is the syrup, and you can make your own orange spice syrup in just a few minutes with a cup of water, a cup of sugar, half a tablespoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of orange extract. Just mix the sugar into the water and bring it to a boil. Then stir in the cinnamon and the orange extract and let it simmer for a few minutes. And now you can impress your friends because you have your very own house-made orange spice syrup. Next, heat half a cup of milk and froth it up. Then you need a double shot of espresso or about a half a cup of coffee. Add the syrup to your foamed milk, and finally, pour in the espresso. And if you really want to impress your friends, sprinkle a little cinnamon on the top. That's all it takes to make an orange spice latte right in your home cafe. Like and subscribe for more coffee and espresso videos.